Shiny Mako.
Mistiso na ng balak mo, mistiso. Talog ka pa.
Shiny Makulada, shine and I see the alwa. Guys, nandito kami ngayon para para singutin si Shobe. Shobe, nasa ka na Shobe? Shiny Makulada, shine and I see the alwa. Shiny Makulada and I see the alma mater. Is that the reason why? And I better to the ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Oh, ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Shiny Makulada, shine and I see the Shobe! 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 Shobe!
Put your hands together for Shuli.
Oy, si Shobe naipit. Naipit si Shobe. Oy, ano yung inipit ko si Shobe, naipit.
Filipinos.
Okay lang.
Gusto ko kumustahin si Shubi Edrata at gusto ko lang pasalamatan. Of course, the ICC President, Mr. Marcelino Agana, and we have ICC Executive Vice President, Mr. Ferdinand A. De Leon. Maraming salamat to all the executive, even the candidates and the judges. Thank you so much po for being here. To all the students, laban lang, mag-graduate kayong lahat. Ayan niya. Ang sa kinabukasan, ako po si Shubi Edrata, your idol na ate ng Cebu. And please, watch the Master Cutter po sa April na po yan sa GMA po. Mapapanood. Medyo delayed sa Netflix, pero kung kayo sa GMA, i-on ang mga TV. Ang hindi mag-on, kukuridate ko sa singit. Again, maraming salamat and shout out to my pangkat, Shubi! I love you so much. Thank you for the love and support. I love you so much. Okay, maraming salamat po, ICC. Thank you, Miss Shubi Edrata, sa pagbisita. And before you go, we would just like to have an opportunity for photo op with our judges. Asan po yung ating mga essay? Pakialalayan po ang ating mga judges for photo op with Miss Shubi Edrata. At habang sila ay papunta dito, Miss Shubi,
Mama, oh, just want to let you down.
Gagi, ano yung naka-uniform mo? Ayun o.
And I'll never be for tomorrow. Carry on.
Please click here to subscribe.
yeah!